Are your bag always so messy like mine? With all those cable, charger, earphone, pen drive, etc. etc. I personally have this problem and I always wanted a cord organizer. But I couldn't find one which is price reasonable and mostly suits my needs. So I'm going to DIY a cord organizer for myself. Hey yo, I'm Syuenny and this is our DIY time. So to DIY a cord organizer, we need some materials, which is very simple to source, I guess. The first one is this one. Here is a big roll of elastic band. So this is the kind of elastic band. I got it a roll in white, but later I'm going to color it and make it colorful. Then we need a cardboard. So this is a cardboard which is very thick and it's very durable. The size of this cardboard is actually depends on how big you want your cord organizer to be. So mine one is a quite big size, which I know what I want to put, so I get a very big one. Then we need a pair of scissors, which is a must. And last but not least, a sewing kit. So this is a sewing kit that I got it from Mr. D.I.Y. Actually what we need is just needle and thread. So the first step is actually to measure the length of the elastic band and cut accordingly. So how to measure? Take your cardboard, and this is the horizontal and this is the vertical. So for the horizontal part, take your elastic band, place it on top and make one round until here. This is the round. Okay, then we use a scissors and cut it out. Yes, and this will be the horizontal length. Okay, for the vertical one, same. Take your elastic band and make one round. Like this. Okay, so this is the length, and same, we need to cut it out. So this one is actually shorter. Yes, and this is the shorter one. This is the vertical length. We need to cut more because we need to cover the whole cardboard. Let's do the first part. So we are done with the first step. Here we have the vertical band, which is the shorter one, and the longer horizontal band, which is this one. So now let's go into step 2. So for step 2, what we need is actually our sewing kit. Open up our sewing kit and take a needle and also thread. So for thread, I will choose pink color to make it easy to see. So if it's white color and our elastic band is also white color, it will be a bit hard to see it. So cut out the thread and place the thread into the needle. Okay, and then we will tie knot. Yes, so I tie the knot here, and this is my needle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take an elastic band and link up these two ends. So I will make a circle actually, and later when I finish sewing all that, it will become like this. Okay, so how to sew is just a simple sewing. As long as it's secure, it won't come out. That is fine. actually not very good in sewing, but I'm trying. So I'll actually make double to secure the elastic band not to come out easily. So then I'll tie a knot when I finish. So I think one knot is actually not enough to secure the elastic band, so I will do another 2 times. Yes. Then after that, cut the extra length thread out. It will become like this. Ta-da! So it's a circle, and this part is actually very secure. Yep. Do this for all these threads, okay? It will take some time. Done with the second step, which is sewing up all the elastic band. Okay, so here is the short one, which is the vertical band. Here are the longer one, the horizontal one. Okay, so now before we going to putting it into the cardboard, what we need to do is we actually need to flip this over, because now the sewing part is facing outward, so we need to flip it like this. It's inward, so it forms a love shape like this. Okay, okay, so we are done with both the horizontal one and the vertical one. So next step, what we need to do is we need to put this elastic band onto this cardboard. So how do we put it? Is actually very simple. We just need to put it in, yes, like this. Okay, but we actually need to mix and match and link the both horizontal and vertical up together. So how we do this is we actually need to see what are the patterns we want and then place it in accordingly. So it's very simple. It's the whole process is depending on how you want it to be. So for those opening, we can hide it into the vertical band so that you won't see it. So you need to slowly adjust it so that it hides inside. Okay, yeah, yes, cool. Then okay, so now what you need to do is you try to slowly adjust it to hide up all this opening and also to make everything in place. Yay! I think we are done. Yes, so we are done with our cord organizer. So it's very nice, right? But it will be better if it's colorful, so I will be using tie-dye to actually dye it up and make it pretty. But now it's actually a functional organizer already. So how to use this? I have some wired earphone here, and I have pen drive. I have another pen drive, and I have another cord, USB cables, and charger, another USB cable, I guess. Let's get another USB cable. Yeah, another USB cable, and then mouse. Yeah, these are some of the things that always so messy in my bag, so these are something that I wanted to put it into this cord organizer. Yay! So you see, it is way organized now. And actually, like I said, you can design this cord organizer to fit your needs. You can maybe put it as a pencil box to put any of your stationeries. You can even use it to put your makeup set. So the design is actually varies up to you. You can do it very differently, and you can keep on changing it until it fits your purpose. This is my cord organizer, which I think is very useful for me. I hope you guys enjoyed this too.